Okay, time to retake this. Yeah, this is like the first time I've seen like the Linea, this like FOG fashion except with Linea 300 matrix, so that's nice. This girl just came from the left side. I mean, but yeah, I think this is replaced an old elevator, but I'm not too sure. The floor one is called floor S, so that's nice. And oh yes, some people trying to come out. Today. Okay. Oh, ours open, okay. But yeah, this is yeah, very interesting lift. We're at 7. You don't just come in, just cut it up to So if you look up here, some type of rooftop bar, but we're not going out there. We go to S. I think you can go to basement, but we won't do that because there's once again it's another underground bar down there. Going down to S.
Down, yeah, thank you.
That's great. I'm trying to figure out how it feels actually. Interesting. And we're at S. And you wonder where S is in relation to 0 and rate S? That's 0 and this is S and basement's just down there. So it's kind of like a half in some ways. And that's it.